What's going on, guys? Cody from MotorcycleMD back on the KZ400. We had to take care of this front end. There's a couple of things wrong, things that need to be cleaned up and just made sure that they're right. We'll be going over some pretty basic stuff in this video here. Next week, we'll be tackling more extensive things like steering head bearings and getting that stuff all lined back up, as well as making sure we got a front fender that looks good, hopefully. But in this one, we'll just be taking care of some pretty basic stuff. If you are new to the channel, welcome. We do motorcycle repair and maintenance and things that you should be doing on a consistent basis. If you want to know more about how to do that, in the description is a free course called the Wrench to Ride course, 40 plus videos on how to do things right and accurately and to the best of your ability on your own time with your own tools while trying to just save you some money and learn more about your bike. In the description, it's totally free. Pick it up while you're here. But not too much introductions needed. Enjoy the video and I'll see you guys at the end. Alright, typically before I take front ends off, we have to go down to the forks too. I like to loosen everything up possible, including the fork main bolt, especially for these forks. Like this main bolt up top here, I want to get that loose while it's all being held in. Start to loosen everything up. The new tire is definitely going to be bigger. What I don't want to happen is the jack to lift the side stand, the center stand up, which is likely what's going to happen. Like that. That front tire is going to rub on its way in. So a little overkill. Alright. There's our speed sensor there, and our collar on this side. Bearings feel good. Bearings feel real good. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. A little bit of pitting. Nothing crazy. So I guess in order for these to come off, this tree has to be lifted up a little bit. That's annoying. Oh wait, nope. Let's see. Another beautiful one. Beautiful. I don't think it will. I think it's on a ledge. Oh man, these steering head bearings. Notched there, there, there. You can just feel it kind of drop into it. Alright, well, these are the steering head bearings. We'll leave that for another video because we gotta order them. And we'll get these ears off and get those situated, but let's get that tire on. You know what tool that you just have to have? Valve stem removal tool, and I do not have one. That's annoying. That is a clean rim. Look at that. Virtually no rust on the inside of that rim. That's awesome. Alright, now we'll just spend some time cleaning it up. Best we can. My brass brush has seen some better days. I have a new set coming. What I'll do is I'll seal this chrome with, not really seal it, but put some wax on it just to keep it from rusting back up. A lot of this stuff right here, we're not gonna be able to get off. It's just the way it is. 4/0 steel wool. It's good chrome. It will not scratch it. And who has the time to clean spokes? I guess I do. I mean, it does look better. It's a little bit better. Alright, like I said, very basic and easy stuff to do and look at, but it was fun. Lots of cleaning stuff that needed to be done, de-rusting, and making sure things just look better than they did before. Tune in next week, we'll be tackling the front forks, getting the gaiters put on, as well as the steering head bearings. Hopefully, if I can fit it in, we'll be mocking up a front fender for it as well. So, again, subscribe to the channel if you like this type of stuff. Plenty more to come, and there's a whole playlist of where we've gone to where we are now with this KZ400 I think you might enjoy. And again, that free course is in the description. Pick it up while you're here. Until next time, Cody from MotorcycleMD, bringing you guys some quality tips and tricks for your next build or your daily rider. See you next time. Later.